chat or on things. You probably left by now. But I... Dear. When I first heard that inhale, I thought it was his life bar going up. I know. My brain is confused by this attrition that the game is enacting. So many resets. The stream's been going on for like an hour probably, but like I accidentally hit stop streaming and it had to start a new stream, and good god, I was afraid that I would take damage, but luckily I didn't. It was like my brain was lagging because it didn't notice that until like right now, where I could calm down. Oh. God. Okay, why did I do that? There's this weird thing when you beat the mid-boss where your controller kind of lags for a bit until you can move. This isn't just this one time though, like any other time I lag. It's like specific. Her is dear god. I notice I've said dear god a lot during the stream. And that's because how I feel. Okay. Oh. Yikes. That could have been ended not very well. I don't know why I keep missing my opportunities. Get it. Good god. Ooh. Haha.